Hey, how are you this morning? I am working on things for my stepdaughter's wedding, and I just wanted to show you this awesome file that I have. Um, so we are doing a little photo booth by the Guestbook table, and I wanted to do this cute little sign that went next to it. I do have this file for purchase available if you are interested, and it will come with these bases right here. And you can see in this corner here, I have 5 different size bases, and they kind of go in order here. So this first one is what does that say? 0.1. This next one is 0.105, and then they go up from there. So you're going to want to test your acrylic to see which base fits best with your acrylic. And this is our main sign here. Now this one, I am going to do a sign with you today just to show you how it works. But I'm cutting this on medium clear acrylic. Just get in the picture here. There we go. So I always cut this acrylic at 142 full, and obviously just one pass around. And I usually engrave just with the black medium acrylic with draft. So let's go ahead and hop to the machine and do that. So now that that is cut, we are going to take some black acrylic paint, and you can see this engraved. We're just going to take a foam paintbrush and paint the inside by dabbing it to make sure it gets all the way inside the engraved area. So after it, you paint that on there. Just make sure you do 2 coats and just let that dry. Now it's time to cut the inner pieces. So we are going to be cutting this little Polaroid piece of film here and the camera. And I'm going to be cutting this on gold acrylic. And I'm just going to zoom in so you can see it a little better. So the settings I use for this is 142 and then full. And I might try a mirrored trick this time just to see how that goes. Because sometimes with the little pieces, it can melt if it's doing the mirrored. So we are going to go ahead and cut this, and I will report back. So right now I'm cutting the emblems for the top. I have like a little camera and a little Polaroid picture. I am actually trying to cut this upside down. This is my mirrored vinyl. And this is the first time I'm trying this, so you guys are kind of experimenting with me here. But I thought if I do that, it wouldn't create, see how it creates some burn marks on top? I thought maybe it would prevent the burn marks from happening. So I'm not sure how it's going to cut. And it obviously cut good. I'm not sure how the bottom's going to look. But I'm hoping it doesn't fry it. We'll have to see once we get the... we'll go ahead and take off the paper and see how it looks. So I can definitely tell a difference. The top one is the one that I cut upside down, and the bottom one is the one I did not cut upside down. The bottom one actually melted a little bit, so that is pretty cool. Now that this is totally dry, we can go ahead and peel off our masking. And once you put the emblems on, it's good to go.